Hello, I'm Shravya, and today I am excited to present my WebStack Academy full stack web development internship project, a comprehensive production grade online food ordering platform built using the MERN architecture. During this presentation, I will walk you through the structural roadmap of the system. This covers the initial internship objectives, the core MERN architecture, art, development, toolchain, deep architectural design, implementation, parameters, cloud API integration, and a live demonstration of the active system. To provide an overview, this intensive web development internship at WebStack Academy gave me the opportunity to bridge the gap between the theoretical software engineering and real world implementation. The primary deliverable was to architect a secure end to end food delivery web application using an interactive agile development methodology, active debugging, and a clean optimization. Goals of the internship. Our core engineering goals focus on four major pillars: mastering MERN, secure auth, ecosystem connect, debugging mastery. Our core engineering goals focus on these four major pillars. First, achieving runtime mastery across the MERN stack components. And the second is managing asynchronized data states effectively across complex asynchronous flows using Redux. And the next is implementing bulletproof security such as tokenized sessions and restricted client routing. And finally, integrating industry standard APIs like Stripe for transactions and Groq AI to introduce intelligent capabilities to our platform. Our foundational ecosystem relied on standard enterprise developer tool. We use VS Code as our IDE, Chrome developer tool to active inspect, React rendering trees, Postman to intensive test our API request headers. Mailtrap has our secure sandbox email server for password recovery testing and MongoDB Atlas for remote database cluster. Before diving into the code, let's look at the architectural design. Engine. Full stack development means both client views and background databases together. We choose the MERN stack for its untried languages efficiency, using JavaScript across every layer. MongoDB handles our flexible document-driven data storage. Express acts as our minimalist server router. React drives a fast single-page application experience, and Node.js executes our server runtime seamlessly. The architectural diagram demonstrates our application's request response pipeline. On the left of our user tile, React views talk directly to a centralized Redux store. When a user updates their cart, Axios catches this action and fires an HTTP request across to our Express server code. Here, the custom middleware uses JSON Web Token to instantly verify the user's login session before interacting with our MongoDB Atlas collection. Looking closer at the front-end implementation, the application relies entirely on clean, modular, reusable React functional components. Navigation is handled instantly by React Router DOM without page reloads. We use build customized filtering system so users can isolate pure veg choices or sort restaurants dynamically based on real-time ratings and review frequencies. Global state and auth, managing application data flow correctly requires strict state control. We divided our Redux store into specialized reducers tracking user profiles, cart, and active orders. We implemented protected routing boundaries, meaning if an anomalous users try to manually navigate to ship endpoints or to order histories, the system automatically takes the action and redirects them to the secure registration pipeline. This platform to commercial grade level are its third-party integration. We integrated Stripe elements on the front end, ensuring sensitive credit card strings are tokenized securely without touching our databases. For password recovery, Mailtrap intercepts temporary cryptographic reset tokens safely. We offload intensive meter rendering to Cloudinary, and finally, we call the Groq AI API utilizing the models to summarize user reviews and automatically generate food description inside our management panel. In conclusion, this project represents the successful deployment of a high-performance MERN platform. The internship provided is invaluable experience in tracking asynchronous state, managing cloud assets, and implementing strict security gates. Moving forward, the code base is designed to scale effortlessly to support real-time delivery tracking and expanded AI personalization profiles. We will now move into the live project demonstration. I will step through launching both the front-end and back-end local servers simultaneously, demonstrate the user registration and password recovery loop, execute a complete transaction using Stripe test card, and show the real-time order status updates.
This is the code. The code is for the front end and this is for the back end, the config, controllers, AI controllers, auth controllers, and this is for to control card, and the routes, the auth, and the order and the payments. And these are the front-end code, utils, Redux, components and all. So let us click on terminal, new terminal, and click on the icon to split the terminal. Open the project folder, food app, then open the backend and the frontend files. Then let us start the backend by typing npm start, and for frontend npm run dev. Copy the URL and paste the URL in the browser.
Paste the URL in the browser. The app will be opened, and we can view the review also and hide them. When we click on pure veg, it will show the vegetarian shop and show all. It shows all the restaurants. Sort by ratings. According to the ratings, it will be sorted. As you can see here, the 4 stars, and here it is something like 3.7 and all. Here it's 3.5 and all. Then we can search here. Let me type KFC. It will be displayed. We can also search through a single letter so that it would display the restaurant. And to redirect to the main page, the home page, click on order it. It will be redirected to the home page. Now I have already been logged in. Let me show you. Log out. The message has come as it's logged out. Let me try to log in. As I said, when a user tries to order a food item, uh, when they are not logged in, it should redirect to the login page or the register page. Let me click on this portal and okay, it's good. Now let me log in. Password. Click on login. Login has been done. Login successful. The message also has been popped up. Let me click here. Let me show you the profile. We can also edit the profile here. Raja. Let me write. Even the mail is also. Then update. Let me redirect to the page. Click on a hotel. Let me click on the card. Increase. Then here it is. I can also delete the item. We can also add two food cart. Then here also we can increase the item number, checkout, for the order payment. Then the total price. The mail has been displayed. The name. Let me write the address. Let me write block 2 with the pin code Karnataka, and the phone number, card number, the month. So has been expired. It will also give an error like this. So let me enter a valid date. Need to checking the will be complete. Okay. You can pay through this link also. And let me click on pay. Okay. That address has been okay. Bangalore. It's wrong. Let me try it again. Bangalore, block 2, pin code. Let me just type a random pin code as of now. Okay, now it's processing for the payment. The payment has been done. Good order. You can view your order over here, enter view and the order list. And if you are a new person to the app, then click on new user. Name is that Ravi. Mail and password, then a phone number. Then click on register. Registration has been done.
And the presentation comes to an end. Thank you.